Racold Pronto Stylo 6 liters, 3 kW vertical 5-star storage water heater. Faster heating. The high-power heating element ensures you get hot water in no time. Anti-siphon system. The anti-siphoning system of this instant geyser prevents the backflow of water from the container, thus avoiding dry heating. High pressure resistance. Pronto Stylo's high pressure withstanding capacity makes it suitable for high-rise buildings and high pressure pump applications. Safety Plus. Pronto Stylo comes with complete safety for your family against high temperature and pressure with Safety Plus. Thermostat and cutout. Stem-tight thermostat and cutout ensures automatic temperature control and extra safety. Italian design. Elegant Italian design of this instant water heater with a rare combination of technology and style. PUF insulation. The high density and thick PUF ensures retention of internal heat and temperature, resulting in better energy efficiency and reduced electricity bills. Super brand and beer awards. Racold is once again recognized as super brand in the water heating category in 2021 and also the 10th time be award winner as most energy efficient appliance in storage water heater in 2020.